It all started when I had this passion for content creation and writing. I stumbled upon blogging, but I had no idea where to begin and how to go about it. So I began my search, and as fate would have it, the first institute I came across was Quibus. And little did I know that this would mark the beginning of an incredible journey. From that moment, my amazing journey with Quibus commenced. Quibus gave me the confidence I needed to create content and provided me with the knowledge and tools to excel. And with that confidence, I was able to begin my blogging journey, which I had always wanted to do. I am very grateful to Paramveer sir for helping me with that confidence and for equipping me with the necessary tools and knowledge. Hi everyone, my name is Priya and I'm thrilled to share my incredible journey here with Quibus. And as my academic background is in fashion, I have always had a thirst for creativity and content creation. But I had no idea from where to start. And I previously worked as a production designer in an NGO, and now I'm working as a research analyst in Jaipur. My experience with Quibus went beyond digital marketing. Before joining Quibus, I had a limited understanding of digital marketing, but it was my curiosity and passion for this field that led me here. The moment I stepped into Quibus, I knew I made the right choice. The warm welcome and friendly environment immediately made me feel at home. The decision to pursue digital marketing stemmed from my interest in the ever-evolving online world. Quibus helped me transform my passion into a profession, providing me with the tools and knowledge needed to thrive. And from day one at Quibus was far from conventional. The interactive classroom activities that encouraged collaboration and allowed us to put theory into practice, ensuring a deep understanding of the concept. The tasks and assignment assigned by Quibus challenged me to think critically and apply what I learned. Each assignment became an opportunity for growth and a chance to refine my skills. Whenever doubt arose, I was never left alone. The supportive team at Quibus made a point to address each and every question and guide me towards clarity. Their commitment to our growth was unwavering. Learning at Quibus wasn't just about academics. We participated in fun activities, trekking that fostered a sense of community. I learned valuable life lessons and gained insight into effective management practices as well. The whole experience provided was a good mix of learning, experiment, and so much more. And our experienced mentor, Mr. Paramveer sir, industry-relevant content and practical assignments made the learning exceptionally enriching. And what sets Quibus apart is its unique ecosystem. I'm truly grateful to have been a part of it. I recommend it to everyone who's confused about their career paths or wants to dive into digital marketing. The quality of education, support system, and faculty and the overall experience make it the ideal institute to embark on this journey of growth. I thank Quibus for shaping my digital marketing dreams into reality. My time here has been nothing short of exceptional. If you are one of those who have doubts about digital marketing, don't hesitate, visit Quibus, meet Paramveer sir, and you will find all your answers. The Quibus teams embodies the ecosystem I've been talking about from day one. Thank you.